Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBPJPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that GBPJPY currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we see that GBPJPY previous months has formed this monthly doji, which is a hanging man in this monthly resistance zone. Now, as a result, this month we have seen that initially the sellers tried to break this low. Instead, we have seen a bounce. Now, at the same time, the price is approaching a monthly resistance. And currently, we see that after testing this monthly resistance, GBPJPY sellers trying to sell again. As we see, there is a monthly hanging man previous months. Highly likely we could see further drop on GJ, as we see that the price still did not test this long wick of this monthly candle properly. As we see that this market from the monthly is overextended, we can expect deeper pullback in this market. If we look at weekly time frame to see how the price action is evolving, we see that GJ from the weekly previous week there is a long doji. Also this candle had a liquidity grab. Now this week so far, once the market opened from the support level, there is also a bullish move. As we see that from that level multiple times the price rejected, and also we see a series of lower high along the zone. We can expect now GBPJPY to come down to create a new lower low. If we look at the daily time frame, we can see that from the daily perspective, GJ also potentially showing bullish momentum, but at the same time the price is approaching an important daily resistance level. As you can see, this is also the weekly resistance, and the price was moving in this channel, creating series of higher high and higher low. As we see that the price is approaching this resistance zone, and we can see that the price is facing this resistance, and we can expect the price to come down for a deeper pullback to grab liquidity. And I think that the price might come back to this daily support at least before moving towards the upside to create a new higher high, as it needs momentum to break this resistance line. If we look at for the lower time frame from intraday perspective, we see that GBPJPY in that zone has formed a long wick candle. Now with this long wick candle, the price in fact forming a series of long wick candles in this resistance zone. And as we see that the price already gathered liquidity with this doji has dropped, and then we saw the price again penetrated this zone and getting rejected over and over again. What I think that for longer term perspective, we could see that GBPJPY coming down to create a new lower low, and from that zone, as the price approaching a significant level of resistance, we can expect GJ to come back down to the support level before moving up again to create new higher high. So from for the lower time frame from 1 hour chart, we saw that there is a strong rejection with this long bearish candle completing a triple top in that zone, giving a very high probability for GBPJPY to break to the downside to this support level, for which is the long term support here, and also support here. We can expect the price come back down, even breaking this low to gather liquidity before breaking this high. So this is where we will be waiting for potential selling opportunity on GJ. As soon as we find suitable entry on GBPJPY for this potential drop, we'll consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.